Say something.
We're here and we're taking these tractors out.
Yes, and I take the camera. Where are you going? Yeah, so we're ready to go. That's what he's wearing. Whoa, get a load of those shorts.
Oh yeah.
Nice boots.
Okay.
And I got my.
If you want to buy these, go somewhere that sells these.
Exactly. Okay, I'm gonna pull that tractor out.
All right. What tractor?
Love it.
Hold on, let me flip this around. Okay.
Oh, the garage doors can have a problem staying up. So.
Yeah, so this is... You want me to hold it up? Oh, he's so strong.
Ready? Stay.
I'll just do action pose.
It's gonna stay.
No,
Okay.
it's not.
We're good.
I'll hold it up. See. I do one-handed. You know, I'm so strong. Yeah, you know. Alright, so here he is.
Alright, we lost most of our snow, but anyways.
Yes.
That's it. Rock and roll. Turn it off, good.
Why? I want to show you my tractor. It's not actually mine. This is it. It's amazing. I don't know why I'm driving this. What are you doing? Alright. What are you grabbing? It's perfect. It's kind of... Alright, and there's our terrain. It's snowy. Here's me in my shorts. Ha. It's gonna be great. Alright, we're taking a little pause.
Alright, we're just gonna head out. So, see if she starts right up like she should. Easy. Okay, first run. Yeah, I turned it too much. But yeah, yes. Hey, look at that. Nothing. And what happened is, there's a gear in there with a broken tooth on it.
You broke it?
No, the tooth was already missing. But if you turn the wheels too far, it gets stuck in that tooth and you can't do anything. It just spins. This was still doing fine. Alright, just going down the driveway back to test my steering. See if I really broke it. Alright, so where you want to go now?
Anywhere.
Anywhere? Where have we not been? We've been out back. We've been up and down the driveway, went through that. I mean, you can go down the old driveway, you'd be up to it. Because there's a good run down there. You change the phone up. There's a really good one down at the bottom of the old driveway. My little baby wheels. My little tiny, puny little things are little wheels of joy. I don't know, you ready to go in? They're just getting cold and dark, mud. I didn't mean to do that. I just want to fly another round. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go through! Go, 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 go! Oh! Didn't do much. Go, go, go! The Destructor! Yeah, I got no brakes now. I don't know what I did, but I didn't tighten something up the way it should or something. Take it back to the shop, figure it out. I'll figure it out. Alright, that's good. You're tearing up the lawn. This is supposed to be the lawn. Alright, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace off, Caleb. Peace off. Wave goodbye.
I didn't hear you right.